Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics, updated Nvidia drivers, and a monitor that supports scaling. Once done, right-click the desktop and open the Nvidia control panel. Make sure to select Display, then open Adjust Desktop Size and Position. You will now choose a scaling mode, and where scaling is performed, this is the first actionable step toward full screen. Once in that dialog, move to the next settings group to change scaling mode from aspect ratio to full screen. Now you change the core setting. Set scaling mode to full screen. Make sure to pick where scaling is performed. GPU usually forces correct scaling for older games. Display can reduce GPU load. Once done, tick Override the scaling mode set by games and programs to ensure consistency. Apply the change and confirm the resolution matches your monitor's native resolution. If a game sets a different resolution, the Nvidia override keeps it full screen instead of letterboxing. Proceed to finish by clicking Apply and Testing in the target application. You should see the image expand to full screen. If not, create a per-program profile in Manage 3D settings and force the same scaling for that executable. Once done, make sure to restart the game or the GPU driver to lock settings. If you encounter black bars, stretching, or unstable output, revert to the previous setting and try switching Perform scaling on to GPU. Then restart. This usually resolves most display mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.